Okay guys, this one sticks out a little bit farther than normal, but I mean it sticks out quite a bit, but it'll have to work for now. I'll fix it during summertime. What I'll have to do is, let me turn the light on here, maybe, there, okay. What I'll have to do is I'll have to cut the thread, or cut that piece there off. Sounds like I got a little critter over there. Somewhere. Anyway, during some time I'll have to cut the threads off that, and then that'll bring it in closer. But for right now, so I'll have to do, I'll have to tack weld this on here so it don't go nowhere. But other than that, that works. Of course I gotta that battery in it, so you guys have to bear with me here for a minute. Turn the cam forward and trying to hook up boost back. Well, this one I have to take you guys out for a minute. See if she'll fire right up. Normally she does. Well, I can go a little bit more down. I don't want to kill it in case. But that's what it sounds like. There, I turned it down a little bit more. I can go a little bit more if I don't want to. So like I said, I don't want to kill it. I'm gonna have to hook that all back up again. But I guess I shouldn't have gone down that far. I gotta keep it running anyway because I gotta put her back over another shed. I got my Baby Blue 14 sitting outside right now. It's got a stack on it, so it can't stay outside. Alright, let's try this again. Oop, good connection. Alright, try this again. To do for the summertime. turn the lights on. Alright guys, there you go. Let's put the tractors away and go inside and get warm.